Hello everyone. This is my last post for my social media class and I wanted to talk about Twitter. Twitter is a platform where users can share thoughts, news, information, and jokes in only 140 characters. The most important part of Twitter is understanding certain words or jargon before starting to use it. What is a tweet? A tweet is a message spread to your followers in 140 characters. What's a retweet? Getting a message that you have in your timeline and sharing this message with your followers. What is a feed? A feed is all the message that you're going to have in your timeline, and this content is going to be based on the people you follow. What is a handle? The handle is the username that you choose when you first join Twitter. What is a mention? A mention is a way to quote to certain people that you want to read a specific message that you wrote or that you found by searching. What is a direct message? A direct message is a way to communicate with people that is following you, but you also need to follow them. It's like a chat feature. It's private, and this is the only way that you can communicate through Twitter where people don't know about the content of the message. And what is a hashtag? A hashtag is a way to denote specific content of a particular topic that is trending or that people is talking about. Now that we understand Twitter, I'm going to give you some tips about successful usage of Twitter. First, you need to choose an appropriate username, a username that is rememberable, that is related to your personal brand or perhaps to your company brand. Create a brand relevant profile. Your profile consists of a bio, avatar, background images. It should tell the story of your brand in a single glance. So select those elements that best visually represent you. Become a good listener. Find your voice. Don't be too formal about your posts. You need to build a personality. You need to build somebody that is rememberable and that is consistent in the way he communicates. Interact and respond. Respond to everybody. This drives engagement. This creates a sense for people to see that you are giving back, that you're really speaking out and listening to your audience. And this is very important when it comes to driving engagement. Find influencers. This is key. Think about what your customers want to see. You can use different tools to measure the traffic, and you can see what is more effective in creating traffic with your account of Twitter. Such examples could be pictures, links. Use hashtags so that you can be found more easily when people are searching about a topic that is related to your account. And this is a way to drive traffic into your user. People are going to find you and they're going to follow you. Tweet often. This way, people are going to be able to see who you are. You're exposing your brand or your personal brand out there, and more people are going to find information about you. Now, about my usage of Twitter. For this particular class, I set the objective to create traffic, to create and share content related to marketing, to social media, and the correct listening tools to analyze the information that is out there and to share relevant information to drive engagement using this social media platform. Therefore, I increased the post frequency since the usage of Twitter basically for me was to share some news, check the traffic, and sharing fun content. Something that could make people laugh, and basically this was the content that was shared or retweeted multiple times. But for the purpose of this class, my goal was to share relevant information, to drive engagement, to be able to know how to analyze the data that is out there, to see what is your score with platforms such as Cloud that tells you the score based on different factors like posting, sharing content, and basically engaging in the community. And for this purpose, I wanted to learn more about the correct usage of Twitter, and this was the whole goal that I had. And throughout the evolution of the class, as I was starting to know new things about social media platforms, we started blogging about different topics. And one of the topics particularly was platform, which in my case was Spotify. I started on understanding what drives engagement, and it's basically related to the tips that I just gave. Nobody said it's easy. It's not easy to drive engagement. It's very difficult because you have to be there all the time and you have to be listening all the time. You don't have a formula. There is a lot of trying and seeing the results and analyzing the metrics, and then you see what works, what doesn't work. You need to find a topic. You need to find a really interesting topic because you need to build credibility and you need to build a reputation. And the more specialized are your tweets, the more people are going to believe in you and the more people are going to search for your content. Of course, because they also want to build reputation, the more likely they're going to share your content. If they didn't believe in you, they wouldn't share your thoughts, they wouldn't share your tweets. So this is key, this is really important when you want to drive engagement. To wrap up about Twitter, in conclusion, what fuels a tweet's engagement? Basically, each tweet represents an opportunity to show your voice and to strengthen the relationship with your followers. So add a hashtag, add a photo or a video to your tweet. This undoubtedly is going to make your tweet look richer and is going to create more engagement from your community. That community is going to share your content, and suddenly you're going to be growing your community. And this positive effect is going to spread and it's going to be unstoppable. So, other than that, be responsive, post with a fair amount of frequency, and be aware of the information that you share, as this is going to be there for a long time and it can backfire. Thank you very much.